together. It's Child Abuse Awareness Month, and the hugest thing about it is coming together as a community to stand up and protect kids. It starts with being together as a community. But as a community, you know, the goal and value is of being able to protect kids as one. And so, you know, if you see something, say something. And the hope of this is to bring, you know, kids together, families together, because there's no excuse for child abuse. And through this, we can, you know, come together and advocate for making sure the kids of our next generations are protected and can continue the legacy.